Welcome back. Now across the Caribbean this evening, we do have stable conditions over the open waters of the southern portion of the basin. However, we are monitoring a frontal system. There is a cold front that is across western Cuba. There are clouds and isolated showers associated with this frontal system just across the western portion of the area, and also in areas offshore the coast of Cuba. We can see that distinct line. There are also isolated thunderstorms embedded along the boundary of this frontal system as it extends into the northern portion of the Atlantic. We do also have clouds, showers and isolated thunderstorms from a prefrontal trough system affecting sections of Hispaniola. There are also clouds in the offshore area, and we are also seeing cloudy conditions with isolated showers and thunderstorms across sections of Jamaica. Now in the forecast for tonight, we are expecting conditions to fare out across most of the island. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. We're expecting the winds on the south coast tonight to be out of the north, so we do have a northerly wind regime across the area tonight. And then tomorrow in the morning, we are expecting it to be generally fair with isolated showers and thunderstorms across sections of central and western parishes as well as inland areas of eastern parishes. And that's where we'll have to cut things short with the weather report and forecast. But we thank you so much for watching.